Firstly, I want to explain that what is building planning, because if you want to start a building planning as a civil engineer or to start this business, so basically you should need to know that what is actually building planning. So basically you have to do a very simple work. You have to prepare or provide a double line plan to your client, okay, which plan includes where should be the rooms, okay, number of rooms, then dimension of the rooms. So basically what we have learned in building planning or building construction subject, so that we have to implement here, okay. So that is simple. So basically you have to provide a building plan to your client, which may be for a working drawing or submission drawing. I hope you know what is meant by submission drawing. If you don't know, please simply comment. I will try to answer your question, okay. Then the question is that who is your client? So basically for whom you will prepare or provide this kind of drawings, okay. So I will, with my experience, I can say that the first client is your relative or neighbor, okay. So you have to provide them a particular service, that is a building drawing, that may be a working drawing or a submission drawing, okay. After that, the every person who want to construct their home or simply any kind of structure, that may be a institute, school, any kind of structure, okay. So in that case they need building plan or double line plan, okay. So these are a type of client where you have to work for them and provide a double line plan or a building plan, okay. So these are a type of clients. Now the question is that what kind of registration or license you need to provide this drawing legally, okay. So basically if you want to provide this kind of drawing or a working drawing, you actually don't need any kind of a registration, okay. But if you want to increase number of your clients or want to make it legal, so simply you need to register at your local authority, which is not mandatory, okay. If you are simply providing building drawing without any stamp or signature, then in that case you don't have to apply for any kind of registration, okay. So if this drawing are not being used for any kind of legal purpose, so in that case you don't need to register for any kind of license or authority, okay. So that's the answer for that question. Now the next question is that how much you will earn, okay, because it is very important. If you want to start this business, then you should know that how much you will earn. Basically I will say that the minimum amount may vary with place to place, but the minimum value should be, as a civil engineer, should be 2000 rupees per drawing, okay. But if in a professional way, if I want to explain the price or the rate, then it should be minimum 1.5 rs, that is rupees per square foot, or minimum 2 rupees per square foot. Now the next and very important thing is that what kind of skill set you need for this business or for the building sanctioning drawing, okay, or submission drawing, or simply working drawing. Basically I will say that as a client point of view, you need communication skill, so that you properly connect with your client, so that what they need you should be able to draw or provide them. So that's the first point. You need to be very precise with your communication skill. Then technically, if I am talking about the technical point, then building drawing, okay, I am directly referring to the subject, civil engineering subject. The first one is a building drawing, okay. So you should know how building drawing is working, okay, and you should be able to draw everything that require for the building drawing in submission drawing or a working drawing, okay. And one more thing, if you want to learn everything basic knowledge about this business, so basically I have provided some books and reference in description. So simply download or purchase that product and simply read those books, so that will help you. So that's it for today, guys. All required data is given in description. If you have any queries regarding the video, feel free to ask in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.